Welcome. So what I'd like to do is show you how to find the sum of the measure of the interior angles if we're provided one exterior angle, which is 27.770 degrees. And so we're going to remember our two formulas that we dealt with. The measure of one interior angle is equal to the number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n, where the sum of the interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So if we know an exterior angle, what else do we know from an exterior angle? Well, if I was just going to draw a figure here, and we don't know how many sides this thing has. But the one thing we do know about exterior angles is to find the measure of an exterior angle, all we need to do is extend the side. And let's say this measure is 27.70. Well, we can figure out the measure of the interior angle because an exterior angle and an interior angle form a linear pair, meaning they are supplementary. So to find this measure, all I simply need to do is take 180 minus 27.70. So to find the interior angle, that's just going to be 180 degrees minus 27.70. And the measure of one interior angle is going to equal 152.30. All right? Now, that's just the measure of one interior angle. We still need to figure out the sum, right? So if I know the measure of one interior angle, I can plug that in for I and find the number of sides. And once I know the number of sides, I can plug it in here to find the sum. So I know the measure of one interior angle, so therefore I'm going to put that in for my one interior angle. And then I'm going to solve Now I need to go ahead and solve for n. And we did problems similar to this. So to go ahead and solve for n, I need to get n by itself. So I'm going to multiply by n on both sides to get the n off the denominator. That'll cancel out. And therefore, I'm left with 152.30 equals 180n minus 360. The reason I got that is I applied the distributive property. Now I need to get the n's on the same side. So I'll subtract 180n. Let's put some degrees in there, I guess. So I subtract that over, and I get 27.70 equals, negative 27.7 degrees n equals negative 360 degrees. Now to solve for n, I divide by negative 27.70 degrees. And when you go ahead and do this, you're going to get in your calculator 12.999 because we did kind of round. So therefore, we can say that round that up. We're say that n equals 13 sides. But now we need to go ahead and figure out, now we know the number of sides, we still want to figure out what is the sum. So since we now know the sides, 13 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So s equals 11 times 180 degrees. Therefore, s equals, when you go ahead and plug that into your calculator, you get 1980. So therefore, the sum of the interior angles is 1,980. So there it goes, ladies and gentlemen. When provided one exterior angle, that is how you find the sum. Thanks.